Today we are going to delve into the fascinating world of dynamic behaviors. I know. The word dynamic might sound boring, but trust me, by the end of this lecture, you'll see just how dynamic this topic truly is. Definition of dynamic behaviors. Dynamic behaviors refer to how a system changes over time. In other words, it's the way that a system responds to different inputs and evolves. These behaviors can be seen in complex systems, such as economies, ecosystems, and even human behavior. The system life cycle. Now, let's talk about the system life cycle. Every system, whether it's a business, a species, or even a relationship, goes through different stages of growth and decline. The way a system behaves during these stages is influenced by its dynamic behaviors. For example, consider a business that starts out small but experiences rapid growth due to a new innovative product. This is an example of exponential growth. On the other hand, consider a species that begins to decline due to habitat loss or overhunting. This is an example of exponential decline. So what exactly are the types of dynamic behaviors that we see in complex systems? Well, we have exponential growth and decline, oscillation, and chaos. Exponential growth and decline refer to a rapid increase or decrease in the size of a system over time. Oscillation refers to a back and forth movement in the behavior of a system, like the pendulum of a clock. And finally, chaos refers to seemingly random and unpredictable behavior in a system. Factors influencing dynamic behaviors. Now, let's talk about the factors that influence these dynamic behaviors. These include feedback loops, delays, and nonlinearities. Feedback loops refer to the way that a system's behavior influences itself over time. Delays refer to the time it takes for a system to respond to a change in its environment. And nonlinearities refer to the way that a small change in the system can lead to a large impact on its behavior. Applications of dynamic behaviors. Finally, let's talk about the applications of dynamic behaviors. These behaviors can be used to understand and analyze real-world problems in fields such as economics, politics, and environmental science. For example, economists can use dynamic behaviors to study the ups and downs of the stock market. Environmental scientists can use dynamic behaviors to understand the decline of a particular species and what can be done to prevent it. Dynamic behaviors play a crucial role in understanding the behavior of complex systems. By understanding the different types of dynamic behaviors, the factors that influence them, and the ways in which they can be applied, we can gain a deeper understanding of the world around us. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you found this lecture dynamic.